Today I discuss what is WordPress. WordPress is one of the world's most simpler and popular content management system or CMS for short. This means you provide the contact while the platform does all of the coding and organization for you. If you are looking for the right web builder to get your web started, WordPress is the way to go. WordPress is a open source website creation project, which means there are hundreds of volunteers all around the world working to improve the platform every day. It also means it's free to use without paying any license free. There is an important difference between the using WordPress.com and the self-host WordPress.org. We recommended using the WordPress.org because although it requires you to use a domain and web hosting site, it means you will be in complete control over your content. You can use custom themes and plugins. Your site will be ad free and you can use custom analytic tool and work better than the one that come with WordPress.com. One of the major benefits of using WordPress it is a versatility. You can see it for your portfolio for your future. 100 business start with the WordPress website to make it. And the key to this flexibility lies in the theme. You can choose theme or free templates that give your site the certain look and feel you want to achieve, and there are thousands to choose from. WordPress is also extremely user friendly. It's easy to change something your site and you won't need to rely on a webmaster to make the changes on his and her time because you can do it yourself in seconds. Also, you don't need to learn the programming language HTML, CSS because the WordPress software script does that for you. It only takes a few minutes to install the WordPress software script on your computer. Make sure that you have the latest version of the WordPress installed. Once installed, you can create your web page quickly without needing to learn HTML, something that would have taken you months, if not years to perfect. After you pick a free theme, there are thousands of plugins you can choose from in order to future customize your site. There are premium themes available if none of the free version suit your needs. Plugins are pieces of software you can install to add functionality to your site. Some of the best and most common plugins we recommended include the Elementor Backup and All-in-One SEO, Akismet Eraser, and the most important plugin in WordPress and use the people you receive your site are actually harmful. Spam backup allow regularly backup of your site so you don't lose any previous contact in case something goes wrong. All-in-one SEO help customize your blogs, post or contact for the search engine. So we read the WordPress over all details, so it is very best and use is very easy.